We introduced Ansys to our workflow about a year ago, and it's completely revolutionized how we think about our problems. My name is Aram Goganian. I'm the founder and CEO of Predator Cycling. We are a small custom bike manufacturer based out of Nashville, Tennessee. We here at Predator have a very small team, so we have a very, very strong design bias. Once we started playing with topology optimization, we realized its potential. What I can do now is take my problem set and put it into Discovery, and I can actually see what topology optimization thinks about my problem. And topology optimization helps me be a better designer and a better engineer. With that tool, we've been able to launch our first direct-to-consumer 3D printed product, and that for us is the Genius water bottle cage. That cage was fully designed in Discovery and simulated so that we could actually bring a cost-effective, highly competitive spec'd water bottle cage to market. Our cage comes in at just under 20 grams, which is comparable to composite cages, and we've also been able to increase the durability. It's collaborative with our workflow. So we're actually working in tandem with our solvers and our software so we can design and develop new products. We're now able to see how Ansys solves the problem. And with this whole process, we're now looking at things from a different perspective. Our design bias is now being removed, and we're relying on the solvers of Ansys to help us solve the problems of building an optimized product. We're now introducing simulation about 3 hours into the design process. With all of the capacity that we now have here at Predator Cycling, we're able to design and evolve at a rate that we didn't think we could, and the future is very exciting.